we have here a lot of 1628 Munster Cosmographia leaves that all share the distinction of having mythical creatures on them, such as sea monsters. And this first image here we see is a woodcut with a sailing ship of a sea monster. This next image, actually, believe it or not, relates to Canada, and there is a sea monster from Canada. There's also printing on the back, as you see. There's a bat there. All Munster leaves tend to be printed on both sides for the most part. Here we have yet another variation on the sea monster. This one here is a remarkable figure that's difficult to know what to make of it, but there it is with the tail and horns and so on. Here we have this kind of a thing, which again is a head scratcher wearing some kind of a crown there. And oh, that's interesting. On the back is this woodcut here of sailing ships in distress. Here we have a seahorse, like so, a sea monster here, and this little guy there, that little seahorse. Then we've got this, and a giant shell with, I'm not sure, maybe a fish in it or near it. Here, if you look very closely, we have little creatures like so that are standing, that are actually animals interacting here all together. It's a curious woodcut. I do not know how to explain it. Here in Guyana, South America, is where you'll find people with their faces on their chests and no heads, according to this cosmography. And here is a little Bacchus-type child cherub being led by panthers or lions or leopards or something. And the last image is this sort of dragon figure here, like so, along with this beast and this monkey here. And so this group of original early 17th century woodcut images that all depict mythical creatures and sea monsters is available now as a single lot online from me, Brian DeMambro.